Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Listen, today I am not using Blackboard. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are taking the topic stress. At the time of adolescence, some children may got stress. They are taking too much tension and anxiety about their physical activity, and their changes occur in their bodies and their future and then surroundings. So many things are there, and from these things they are having tension, and these tension is known as stress. Stress is the state of mental and emotional strain, and in very simple term we can say that it is a tension. And the time of between 12 to 20 years, the period between 12 to 19 20 years is known as adolescence. There are many changes they are having around them, in their emotional state, in their physical condition, in their behavior, from surrounding. So many things they cannot manage all these things, and all these changes, due to this they are in tension. They got frustrated, and due to this they are not in their proper balanced condition, and this condition is known as stress. Stress is body's way of responding to any kind of demand demand which is needs around our surrounding, our relations, our emotions. All these things they cannot respond towards them properly. Due to this, they feel uh, alone. They feel in tension. They got tension. It can be caused by both good and bad experience. These changes and this response can be good as well as bad. When people feel stressed by something going on around them, they feel frustrated, or they got stress. Due to this, their bodies react by releasing certain hormones into the blood. This will happen due to the secretion of hormones. Stress is what we feel when we have to handle some more than that we are used to. We have to handle many things as we are using. So we may feel there's nothing we can do about the things going on our life. Sometimes the person cannot balance all these things. They go into the alteration. These result in alteration change in attentions, resulting in various physiological and psychological disorder when we are stressed. When we are stressed and having tensions, we cannot manage all the changes which are occurring around us. And these changes may be various type: physiological in our body, psychological, emotional imbalance. And due to this imbalance of physiological and psychological changes, we are in stressed. Our body respond as if we are in danger. We feel that we are in danger. It makes hormone that speed our heartbeat, and due to this condition, hormone secretion of hormone increase, and we may have a speed up of heartbeat, having the more heartbeat as normal condition. It makes hormone the speed up our heartbeat, make us breathe faster, and we will and give you a burst of energy. It increase the heartbeat, and speed of breathe, and due to this, loss of burst of energy is lost while doing this. Stress produces numerous physical and mental symptoms which vary according to the every individual's situational factor. They are all are having the different condition, different situations, and according to this, there is a numerous physical and uh, mental symptoms. Sometimes they got uh, anger. They go for a alone, to live alone. They are having so many things unusual, which is unnecessarily. So many symptoms we can see according to the individual situation. These can include a decline both physical and mental health. The skill of stress management is regarded as one of the key skill to be happy and successful life in modern society. It is very difficult to survive in modern society, because some persons are having all these things, all equipment, but some are not having this. Due to this, though they may be in stress. So we have to manage all the things which is surrounding us. Now, how to manage this stress? What are the some action we can take to manage this stress? Stress management is all about taking change in our lifestyle, thoughts. We have to change our lifestyle according to our surrounding, according to our situation. Our thoughts, we have to change our thoughts. If we are having any bad thoughts, any damaging thoughts like anger, fighting, so many things, so we have to change the thought, emotions, and the way we deal with problems, and how to deal with the problem. We have to deal with the problem wisely. No matter how stress our life seems, there are steps we can follow to relieve the pressure and regain control. And here are some steps from which we can move out from the stress. Although life provides numerous demands that can prove difficult to handle, stress and management. Our life provides numerous demands. So many demands we are having with our life, and due to this, uh, we got into the stress. That's why we have to manage them properly by by following these rules. Management provides a number of ways to manage anxiety and maintain overall well being. A number of self help approaches to prevent stress have been developed. We have to help ourselves. The first thing is we have to help ourselves by having good thoughts, by having good habits, by sitting in a good circle, in a good group. Yoga, the first thing is yoga. It is the mind body practice that combines physical poses. You all know the posa, yoga. It has many different poses. Due to we can control and concentrate on our physical and mental balance. Physical poses, control breathing and meditation or relaxation. These help us to breathe properly, to control our breath, to control our mind, to control our thinking. Yoga may help reduce stress. With this, increase flexibility. It increase flexibility in our body by doing some poses. Increase muscle strength and tone. It also increase our muscle strength, the power of muscles, and tone also. Improved respiration, energy, and vitality. Yoga help us to improve our respiration. It help us to breathe properly, to get more and more oxygen in our body. Then energy, it also balance and control the energy level in the body. And vitality, liveliness, it also control the liveliness of a person. Then weight reduction, it help in weight reduction, improve athletic performance. Due to this our body become active and we can improve our athletic performance. The next is exercise. Just 30 to 45 minutes of exercise at least 3 times a week can make we feel much healthier and in control of our own life. At least 30 to 40, half an hour, if we are doing exercise, we can improve our health, in control of our own life. We may take up running, jogging, swimming, playing, cycling, so many things in exercise. A team support like cricket, football, hockey, etc. Then proper sleep schedule. We have to manage and control, fix a time schedule for the sleeping. Improving our health, our sleep schedule will go a long way in helping us to reduce stress. A good habit of sleeping, it means at a proper time for going bed and at proper time to uh, leave the bed. Reading, it is a great way of calm your mind and gain knowledge. To get knowledge or peaceful mind, we should read the good books. Thinking positively, become a positive thinker and take more pleasure in our everyday everyday interaction. So everyday interaction, when we are meeting with some person, successful person, or some good person having with good ideas and good thoughts, they increase our thinking positivity. Laughing, it improves our mood and makes us feel happier. Laughing is also a good exercise for our body. It makes us feel good. Then deep breathing. Go for a deep breathing. It is another way to invoke and relaxation response to stress, and it is good for our to manage our stress. Then meditation. For meditation, sit in a quiet place for about 20 to 15 to 20 minutes every day with our hands in a comfortable position, eyes closed like this. We can have meditation like join our hands and close your eyes and sit for the 15 to 20 minutes without disturbing your thought, with our hand in a comfortable position, eyes closed, and focus on our breathing. And we have to
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
okay. Hobbies. Now next is hopping. Do something that you enjoy every day. Do that work mm, in which you feel good. Whether it is reading, if you are if you are like to study or read any book, writing any article, anything, listening music, playing a music instrument also, dancing or drawing anything, doing a puzzle, as it helps in diverting your mind. This thing divert your mind and you can feel good. Diverting your mind from all the negative and stressful thoughts. This is all about the endocrine glands, adolescent period, and the changes occur in the adolescent period and stress management and all this thing. In this way, we have finished this chapter. After that, I think one or two lesson is remaining. Two chapters are remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the circulatory system and nervous system. Okay, so now take the correct option.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay, cortisol hormone is secreted by which gland and which part of gland? Cortisol hormone is secreted by the cortex of adrenal. It is B, means second. Second option is correct. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In which of the following hormones stimulate the breakdown of glycogen in the liver into glucose? And the answer is 3.
Glucagon.
Glucagon. Which of the following hormone converts excess of glucose into glycogen? And the answer is
Adrenal.
no, it is insulin. Third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, say second one and first one.
First is B, cortex of adrenal, means part 2. Second one, cortex of adrenal. And number 2 is glucagon. Third. Third option is the right answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth, look at the D, fourth one. Which one of the following gland is also called the master gland? You should know this.
Pituitary.
Yes, correct answer. Option 1, pituitary gland. The emergency hormone to face the danger or fight is secreted by islets of Langerhans, adrenal cortex, pituitary or adrenal medulla. Answer is fourth, adrenal medulla.
Adrenal.
F. Which of the following endocrine glands produces its hormone in large quantity as a result of emotional situation? It is thyroid, islets of Langerhans,
A. First one.
adrenal medulla or adrenal cortex.
Ma'am, first one.
No, third one. At the emergency situation, adrenal medulla secreted a hormone to face that particular situation. So it is also known as the emergency hormone, something like that. In humans, increased thyroxine production result in, if the production or secretion of thyroxine is increased, what result we
Third.
get?
Increased metabolism.
Third.
Thyroxine? No, the dwarfism from the secretion of
Ma'am, third.
fourth one,
Hmm.
cretinism. Then, short answer
Okay,
question.
ma'am.
What is hormone? Note it. Hormone is a chemical substance Hormone is a chemical substance secreted by an endocrine gland. Hormone is a chemical substance secreted by an endocrine gland. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the match the following. Cretinism. We have completed now. Abnormal development of infant. B. Second one. Cretinism is matched with the part 2. Abnormal development of infant. Then diabetes mellitus. It is fifth. Insufficient insulin in blood. Insufficient insulin in blood. Fifth one. Increased metabolic rate. It is the third one, same. Oversecretion of thyroxine. Due to the oversecretion of thyroxine, a person increase its metabolic rate. Then simple goiter. Simple goiter is matched with the fourth. Insufficient iodine in food. And the growth hormone is pituitary gland. Check it again. Second, fifth, third, fourth, and first. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here is a table.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you complete this table? Okay. I'm giving you answer. The first is thyroid. The name of hormone secreted by the thyroid gland is thyroxine. Answer is thyroxine. And the function of this hormone is control the metabolic rate. Control the metabolic rate. Then next is insulin hormone secreted by which gland?
Pancreas.
Pancreas. Okay, right here, write the pancreas in the blank. Then function of pancreas is what? Regulate the amount of sugar in blood. It regulates the amount of sugar in blood. Completed?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, say once again.
Regulate the amount of sugar in blood. Regulate the amount of sugar in blood.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, okay, next. The function is given, prepare the body for action. And this function is done by the adrenal gland and hormone is adrenaline. Adrenal is the gland and adrenaline is the hormone. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fourth is growth hormone. Growth hormone is secreted by the pituitary gland. Name of the gland is pituitary. And the function of this hormone is speed up growth. Speed up growth. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
another table is given in question number 4. Name the source and the function of each of the following hormones. Do you want to do this? If not, I will give you on Moodle.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, send in Moodle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
for today. If you want to ask anything,
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am.
Can I leave the class?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.